How to fix Steam not opening. First is by uninstalling the program or the app by going to your search right here, search for Control Panel, and then click on Uninstall a Program under the Program section and look for Steam. Double click on Steam and then make sure to uninstall Steam right here. And you may open your web browser such as Chrome. Go to store.steampower.com and make sure to click on Install Steam right here. And then click on Install Steam. So you may change either Windows or Apple right here. Click on Install Steam and then install the Steam that you have and try opening Steam once again. So there you go. That's how you can fix Steam not opening.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.